So using Google Trends, I examined search interest for keywords which related back to my credibility check number 3. So that included Iran, immigration policy, asylum seekers, and statements from Donald Trump. Google Trends measures the popularity of search queries over time, which allows journalists to see which topics and audiences are actively seeking information and what they're actively seeking information about. So the search data showed really strong interest in and spikes in public interest around the Iran conflict and related political developments. So, for example, an analysis of Google Trends timelines reported that global interest surged significantly when the US and Iran conflict escalated, which reflected heightened public curiosity and information-seeking behavior. Additionally, trending searches included questions like why is Trump fighting Iran and related policy inquiries demonstrating how audience attention concentrated on this issue. So this aligns with what I observed, which were stories about Iran repeatedly appearing at or near the top of the homepage. So this high search volume likely signaled to editors that audiences wanted updates leading to prominent placement and frequent headline revisions. So as new developments occurred, stories were updated with additional context, which reflected Chapter 7's emphasis on analytics-driven engagement strategies. So similarly, immigration and asylum-related topics also gained attention. So coverage of a Supreme Court case involving asylum seekers appeared in multiple news outlets, which highlighted the significance of the issue and suggested increased public interest. And research is also showing that spikes in online search activity can signal growing interest in migration-related topics. So this demonstrates how search analytics can really inform editorial decisions. These patterns illustrate correlations between analytics and newsroom strategy by headline framing. To start, Iran-related headlines emphasized urgency and conflict, which is matching our trending search queries. Story placement, topics with the high search interest stayed in the top positions longer than those with less search interest. There's frequent updates, so articles were revised as audiences' engagement remained high. And then lastly, topic rotation. So when search interest would shift, so would the new stories, and they would replace earlier ones. So overall, Google Trends data suggests that strong interest in Iran, immigration, and political developments likely influence digital coverage decisions. And so while this is a projection, the correlation between trending searches and homepage prominence demonstrates how analytics guide newsroom strategies. They shape headlines, placement, and framing in order to match audience demand.